This is a 1950s Terry 8x10 trailer. It started out when I got it for $100 as a destroyed doghouse, but the bones of it were good and it traveled well. I gutted it, cleaned it, patched the floor where it was rotted, and made it an art studio, which later became my granddaughter's playhouse / bedroom when she was visiting. It didn't actually get completely completed. The color scheme was obviously hers. So then I decided to gut it again and remodel it. She had named it Mai Kai because she was born in Hawaii, and it means I feel good. So sadly, I wasn't able to document this very well, and it was raining the whole time my other granddaughter and I worked on it. So pretty much we had to use the space inside that we had trashed to also work in because we couldn't work outside. And let me just tell you, it was a challenge. We gutted it, we hauled stuff away, we planned a new floor plan, we fixed some shelves that were incomplete right there, and made it a place for 2 beds instead of just 1. We made a place for the cooler to sit, we made a place for the stove to sit, and we made a place to store some things under both beds and above both beds. It actually looked bigger when we were done. This is the back bed that we put in. This is the place for the cooler to sit. And that's the place the stove was able to sit. That's where the cooler was going again. And that was the remodel for the front of the bed, and we put a shelf over it. That's my other granddaughter painting. After we re-put walling, siding and insulation, had to go in, we had to tear things out, redo. That's the new part of the shelf right there again. Yeah, so we actually had to tear out wood, put more insulation in, and reskin the interior so that it would be insulated and comfortable. This is it pretty much painted. I think the floor is already in here as well. Yeah, that's the floor right there. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, here I am camping in it actually. We took off for the weekend. That's all there is. Thank you.